Hello?
Yeah, I'm trying to reach, I think Amazon about a text I got.
Yes.
Okay, it said it's not me, so I'm calling to let you know I didn't do it. I didn't place any order.
Okay. And you're Miss Ross Lopez, right?
I'm sorry?
What's your name, ma'am?
It's Jenny.
Jenny?
Yeah, Jenny. Jennifer Walters.
Okay, Jenny. Okay. Yes, ma'am, this is James. I was just talking to you. Said, give me half an hour.
Um, I'm sorry. This is the first time that I'm calling about this. It's just this
This
order.
is the first time.
Yeah, this is just something I didn't do. It said if I didn't do it, so I'm calling to let you know I didn't do this.
Okay. Then where did you get this number, ma'am?
On the text.
On the text?
Yeah.
Okay, which text you're talking about? Can you please read out that text for me?
It says ANZ, thank you for shopping of a waterproof action camera with 5.3K 60 for $449 USD will be deducted from your card. If it's not, you call us. And I'm calling you to let you know.
Okay, and and when did you got this text message, ma'am?
Oh gosh, maybe a half hour ago or so.
Maybe half hour ago. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me try to fix it. And you're Jennifer Lopez, right?
I'm sorry, you broke up. What?
You are Jennifer Lopez?
Jennifer Walters, yeah.
Okay, Jennifer Walters. I got you. So, ma'am, now I can see that basically there is a kind of a fraudulent purchase, and the product is made from a location of Ohio, Columbus, Ohio. So, do you know somebody who belongs to that location in your friends, family, and relatives?
I have family and friends in Ohio.
Good. And do you know somebody who can make that purchase on your behalf?
No, they wouldn't do that. They don't. Nobody has access to my Amazon account but me.
Oh, I got you. So, in that situation, ma'am, it just give me a minute. So, let me talk to my billings team first. So, see what best we could do for you, okay?
All right. Well, just like to get it canceled,
Yes,
please.
stay connected, ma'am.
All right.
Give me a minute, ma'am. Stay connected. Thank you. Hello?
Yeah. Hello. I just got disconnected. I was on hold forever, and I got disconnected. Can somebody please help me?
Yeah, I can help you, ma'am.
Okay.
So, are you in the phone right now? So I can guide you and connect your phone or internet setting to the secure secure server.
I'm calling you on my house phone right now.
Okay, is it Android phone or an iPhone?
My house phone it's not an Android or
Okay,
an
it's a
iPhone.
landline phone.
It's a landline
It's a
phone.
landline phone.
Yeah.
It's a landline phone or iPhone.
Landline phone.
So I can guide you.
House phone.
So I can guide you properly.
It's my house phone. What do you want me to do on my house phone?
No. Do you have any phone right now which is connected right now to the internet?
Well, my house phone isn't connected to the internet. No, sir, it's not.
Okay.
It's just plugged into the wall.
Okay. Do you have any Android phone right now?
No, I don't.
So
I got my MacBook in
do you have
front of
any?
me. I went to Amazon, didn't see this order. I just want you to cancel the order. I didn't do it.
So do you have any laptop right now so I can guide you better?
I just said I'm on my MacBook. I went to Amazon.com and I didn't see this order.
Okay. So we need to connect your phone or internet setting to the Amazon secure server so I can guide you properly. Okay.
I don't know what's an Amazon
So
secure
please,
what's an Amazon secure server. I've never heard of that before.
this is Amazon security server, ma'am.
All right.
So please tell me which phone are you using right now?
I told
Is
you
Android?
I told you a million times I'm on my frickin' landline phone. My God in heaven, are you not listening to me? Plugs into the wall.
Do you? Okay. So do you have only landline phone, not multimedia, any multimedia phone?
I don't have my iPhone right now because my kid borrowed it. No, I'm just on my... Oh my God, can you please just cancel this freaking order? My God in heaven. What does it matter
I
where
can
my
cancel
phone
it, okay?
is? I don't get that.
Okay, I can cancel it. Okay, don't worry, I cancel it from my end. Don't worry. Okay, goodbye.
Wait a second. I want proof that you canceled it.
Yeah, I can cancel it right now because I can guide you in your phone or in your system, but you can able to do that, so I can cancel by my end.
Well, I've got my MacBook in front of me. I told you that.
Sorry?
I told you I have my MacBook in front of me. I just don't have a mobile phone right at the moment.
Do you have any mobile phone right now?
Oh my God in heaven. Please open your ears and listen to me. I get loaned it to my daughter. I'm on my MacBook right now. That's all I've got is that my MacBook and my landline phone.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait a moment.
All right. Hello?
Hello. Yes.
I keep getting disconnected. Could I please speak to a manager, please?
I'm the manager.
And what's your name?
My name is Patrick.
Oh, okay, good. Because that other guy, I don't know what was wrong with him. He wasn't listening to a thing I said. Can you please help me?
About what, ma'am?
To cancel this damn order. I don't understand how incompetent you guys can be. My God. I just want you to cancel this order.
Okay, and we have been also give you the solution, ma'am, the ways that how we can stop or pause these transactions.
I told that stupid idiot my computer's right in front of my face. Where do you want me to go? I went to Amazon.com.
Okay, do one thing. Are you on the Google browser, right? The browser of your laptop?
I use Safari, but I have a browser, yeah.
Okay. Is it a phone or is it an...
MacBook.
The TextNow subscriber you are trying to reach is not available. Please leave your message after the tone.
Yes, I need a manager to call me back. My name is Jenny Walters. My phone number is... Call me back. I need somebody to cancel this godforsaken order.